We're good.
Ready to roll?
Yeah.
Alright, welcome to Tampa Heat. Right now you guys are in a 2025 Wrangler Rubicon 4xe. That is our plug-in hybrid. Makes 470 horsepower, or sorry, 470 pound-feet of torque, 375 horsepower. We've got 10.8 inches of ground clearance, 33-inch tires that help us get into the hat. Help Carl right over those stairs.
A little bumpy.
Little bumpy, not too bad though, right?
You know what kind of tires come standard?
It just depends on what trim level you get, but on the Rubicons they are all-terrain Wranglers. You get 35-inch tires on the 392, maybe as an option like on that Rubicon. These ones are 33.
Wow.
Ready for the hill? It's going to be
Let's do it.
18 feet, 35 degrees. Using our front camera on the back. Not too bad, right?
Nice.
Click off of that. Use our pitch and roll. We'll see that on the way down. Right up to 35 degrees. And there we are.
All right.
You guys have a good rest of your day.